birthday! You should sing it louder, louder, louder. Come on.
Happy birthday, Pablo! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Pablo!
Wow, happy birthday, Kuya Pao. You want to say anything?
Thank you,
Kuya Pao, happy birthday.
Thank you all so much, 18. It's so nice to be working while celebrating your birthday. Thank you so much. Nakabasa ko yung mga messages niyo, yung mga gifts na binibigyan niyo. I'm just so blessed to be able to be on this stage with these guys, together with our team, everyone who have been supporting us. Ang saya lang mag-celebrate habang may concert, habang kasama kayo first time dito sa Hong Kong. Sana sa next birthday ko kasama ko ulit kayo. Merong handaan, papabuffet si Kuya Josh.
Mali tayo. Mali tayo na po. Ang gwapo din.